Oh, don't worry. Just keep your eyes open for him along the way.
Nemo!
Oh, let's go explore. Let's go explore the big blue world.
Wait, Mr. Ray, we can't explore without Nemo.
I'm sure we'll see him any minute now.
He's orange with white stripes and it's not like you when he's small.
Yes, have you seen him?
Hi, I'm Dory.
I am looking for my son.
Ooh, I can help.
It's Nemo. That's right. Stop playing games.
Games? I love games. Ooh, I'm thinking of something pink and bouncy that looks like a balloon.
Ah, jellyfish.
Right. Okay, now I'm thinking of something pink, kind of balloony.
It's jellyfish.
You're good. And I'm thinking
Jellyfish. And the next one, jellyfish.
all right, Mr. Smart. Oh yeah, too fast for you.
Stop fooling around.
Can I get a little light in here?
Stop fooling around.
I wonder if down the fish
Nemo.
Why didn't you drop by for a little bite? Oh, what a cute little bite.
clownfish. Where are you? Say good day to your old
Go with the flow.
We're right behind you, Dad. Come on, Nemo.
Looks like still proud of you.
I want to try.
Oh, check out the mini marlin. Woohoo! Oh, okay, little dudes, get ready to roar.
What's up guys, it's Ben from Theme Park Groupie. Thanks for watching our video of the Seas at Epcot at Walt Disney World. This is a good, nice, slow-paced ride for kids, adults, for families of all ages. This is a fun ride to experience at least once, especially if you really enjoyed the Finding Nemo movies. If you guys did like this video, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching Theme Park Groupie.